Okay, so how to reset the oil light on the 2012 Dodge Ram 4.7. So you insert the key and just put the key on position, and you're gonna press the gas pedal 3 times fast, really fast. So take the key out, put it on and 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There you go. So now crank the car. Okay, so no more light, the oil light. Alright guys, thanks for watching.